Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my Njeri's channel. Today we are doing a house tour, an empty house tour of these apartments called Runana Apartments. They are located here in Nakuru in section 58. They are newly built, and as you can see, they have very ample parking. And they have these cabros over here. It is so beautiful. So if you have a car, you don't have to worry about the parking. So they also have a lift, as you can see, and inside the lift you have very cool music, which makes you just cool, you know. So this is inside the lift, which has really nice music inside there. So apparently there were 3 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms, but all the 3 bedrooms are fully occupied. So we are just remaining with the 2 bedrooms, few slots of them. So you can see how close it is to the main road. And now let's tour this house. So as you can see, this is the kitchen. It has an open plan. That is the open plan of this kitchen with lots and lots of storage, and also has 2 sinks, very deep sinks. And then this is the living, or rather the lounge. As you can see, it's very, very spacious. This house is very spacious. So that's the kitchen, and this is the living room. As you can see, they also have very large windows that allow natural light to get inside the house. So yeah, that's the entry door over there. So the first place that you enter is the kitchen. So going to this side, we will go to the first bedroom, which is a master en suite. Also has very large windows, a closet, and a separate bathroom and washroom. It has this washroom, which is a bit spacious, and yeah. So I also love the color of the tiles of this particular house. They are very, very neutral, and it can go with. It doesn't make the house seem busy. So this is the second bedroom, which also has 3 windows which allow natural light to get in, and that is the view from this particular bedroom. It also has a closet, and this bedroom is not a master en suite, and it also has a mirror and lower storage cabinets, as you can see over there. So yeah, then we go to the common washroom. Over here we have this sink. As you can see, we already have water over there. And then this is the common washroom that everyone in the house uses. So we have those sockets over there. And then we have now this washroom here. So yeah, that is basically about this particular house. This house is going for 30,000 shillings per month with a deposit of the same. Yeah, so that is it about this particular house. If you're looking for a house in section 58, to be specific, a 2-bedroom, I think this is the house that you need to check out. So yeah, I'll leave the number on your screen so that you can call and make your bookings for this particular house. There are a few slots remaining, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.